Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow web 2.0 backlink. So in this video actually I have some pain issue in my mouth for the wisdom teeth so that's why if the voice are getting some distortion or any uh, problem for you, so yeah, you can if possible you can ignore either. You can quit this video. Okay, I can start. So this is a website URL and this is a dashboard. So in this website we can going to create a web 2.0 do follow web 2.0 backlink. Okay, so before the started we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 92 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 84 and the spam score is only 2%. And if we can check this website traffic, so this website having a 6.4 million monthly traffic and mostly traffic from USA, India, UK, France, Canada and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider to create your web 2.0 backlink on this site. So we have completed these things. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the get started button and there you guys will put your email. Then you can click on the continue. There you guys will choose your password. After that you can click on the create account button and here it is. This is your dashboard. So there you guys will add a first and a last name, but you guys will consider to add your company name because your URL and the username should be going to generate behalf of this first and last name. You can click on the next continue. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co and you can choose myself or the company or the client, anything. Click on the continue. Are you a student? No. Business site or other? Are you interested in hiring someone to help build your site? No. You can click on the finish and you will see this is your dashboard. So if you wanting to start through the from the blank site, either template or the tutorial, so you can click on the template and you guys will choose any of related to your business template from here. So there are many templates, so you can choose any template, any of a related template to your business. Click on the select and there you can add your site name. So my site name is DML training. Then after that you can click on the create site button and when your site is creating, when you guys will verify your Gmail, so this site will send you the verification email. So I received and you can click on the confirm your email. So our account is successfully confirmed, verified, and after you can see this is create a site, change color, font and the class and the replace images, so you can ignore these things. After that we can ignore this and you can change anything from here. So suppose that if you wanting to change a background image, so you can click on this there, and you can scroll, and you will see here, if I can click on the setting, instruction, style, section, you can click on the section, and the color is transparent, font widgets, this is a body, this is a section, intro, header, and if I can click on the section, click on this, so before I did to a background, I guess, backgrounds, we can click on this, and we can see if is there anything. Okay, so you guys will explore these things actually right now. For now, I not getting to how we can change background image, so now we can do some edit from there. So whatever you want, you can change from here, and whatever you wanting, you can insert from there. So you can see there is multiple things, so you can select any of sections, or you can actually add any sections. So suppose that if I wanting, so I can add section in this, and there you can do anything whatever you want. So you can insert heading, images, or anything. So just for the example, I can do some edits from there. So this is my website DML training. So suppose if anyone can searching a backlink list, so all are the verified backlink list I have added in my website. If you can open any pages, and you can scroll something, and you will see all the backlinks. This is a backlink, DA, do follow or no follow, and um, in the same section I inserted a video tutorial. So suppose that if you are facing problem to creating your backlink on this website, so there I have also inserted a video tutorial for the how you guys will create your backlink on this. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, I can add my first heading. So there I can put my first heading, and if you wanting to change uh, this page top, yeah, you can, if you wanting to change this height or the heading pixel, so you can do from there. So let me, there I can add 50 pixels, and the height should be the 50. Okay, and you can add your intro description. So suppose that this is my intro description, hero description might be you can call, and there you can insert your website URL. So suppose that you can select a whole button, you can click on the setting, you can click on this, and there you can put your website URL. Okay, and if you wanting to open this URL in the next tab, so you can select this box, after you can cross this, and your website URL is inserted. Okay, so now we can explore the next section. So I can delete this, and there you can add your next section. So suppose that if I can add this heading, so and there you can add your description. I'm just doing these things for the how you guys will familiar with this site. And suppose that if I can there I can add some short paragraph. So let me copy this content from there and let me put it here. And I wanting to do a hyperlink for this targeted keyword, so I can select this keyword. You can copy your website URL and you will see there is a insert link button, and you can click on the setting. There you can insert your website URL. Click on the open in next tab if you wanting. After that you can see your backlink is inserted. And if I can click on this, and in this website there is some technical issues. You can see there I have inserted my website URL hyperlink. I did hyperlink and you will see the content is moved from this line. Okay, so accordingly you guys will optimize your web 2.0, and whatever you want you can do changes from there. So suppose that if I wanting to change this image, so let me select this. So let me insert if you guys can insert, if you guys can wanting to insert any image box, so simply you can see there is a image section. You can select and you can drag and post anywhere. And you can see you can click on this, and from there you can replace a image. You will see there is a upload icon, so you can click on this. From there you guys will upload any images from your desktop. Okay, so this might take a couple of seconds, and you will see image is uploaded. And yeah, you can see. And if you wanting to insert or do anything from for this image, so you can do uh, any changes. Okay, and once you guys will complete these things, so and from there you can see if you can click on this, so from there you can see your all pages. So this is your about page, contact, product, blog, the style guide. So there are multiple pages. If you wanting to add a new page, so from there you can create a new folder. Either from there you can create a new page, so you can see from there you can create new page. Either you can create a new template. Okay, so on this website there are many features. So I guess overall you guys got idea to how you will create your web 2.0 on this site. So overall this is the process. So once you guys will complete these things, so after that you can click on the publish button, and you will see this is your website URL. And after you will click on the publish the selected domain, and you will see you can click on this, and this is your final web 2.0 website. So this is our company name, and this is a backlink what we inserted, and this is a hyperlink what I did. If I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is our website URL, and this is a keyword. So this is a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So overall this is the process for the web 2.0 backlink creation on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, So I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.